Decorating with Christmas spheres is one of those cherished traditions that instantly fills a home with joy and holiday spirit. It's incredible how a simple ornament can create such a profound impact, both visually and emotionally. These shiny or matte globes bring nostalgia, elegance, and festivity, making them a timeless favorite during the holidays. But their appeal goes beyond beauty, they're versatile, meaningful, and open endless possibilities for creativity. Christmas spheres have a unique ability to bring cohesion to holiday decor. Whether you prefer classic red and gold, icy blues and silvers, or vibrant multicolored themes, they set the tone for your Christmas aesthetic. They seamlessly tie together your tree, wreaths, and even your table settings, creating harmony in your space. This sense of unity is especially important during the busy holiday season. Spheres become little anchors of beauty that remind you to slow down and embrace the magic of the season. One of their greatest strengths is versatility. Gone are the days when spheres were just for trees. Today, they can adorn ceilings, garlands, stair railings, chandeliers, and even windows. Picture a cluster of spheres hanging above your dining table, creating a floating winter wonderland. Or imagine them in unexpected places, hallways, doorways, or even on outdoor decorations, adding surprise and delight. Another reason Christmas spheres are so beloved is their ability to adapt to any style. Rustic. Choose wooden or burlap designs. Glamorous. Opt for glittery or metallic finishes. Decorating a child's room. Bright, playful, or cartoon-inspired spheres are perfect. The options are endless, giving you the freedom to express your style and make your holiday decor uniquely yours. Spheres also carry sentimental value, reminding us of family traditions and fond memories, picking ornaments, unwrapping heirlooms, or crafting handmade decorations. Including these pieces in your decor adds warmth, making your space feel deeply personal. If you have children, involve them in choosing and hanging spheres. It's a wonderful way to create new memories and perhaps even start a family tradition of your own. When decorating, balance is key. Too few spheres might feel sparse, while too many could overwhelm the space. Consider how they interact with other elements in your decor. If your tree has lots of lights and garlands, simpler spheres work best to maintain balance. On the other hand, bold, ornate spheres can make a minimalist tree pop. Mixing sizes and finishes, glossy, matte, metallic, frosted, adds depth and texture, making your design even more dynamic. Lightweight ornaments are ideal for delicate spaces like chandeliers or ceilings. Shatterproof options are perfect for homes with kids or pets. For a magical floating effect, use transparent fishing line or ribbons that match your color scheme. Christmas spheres aren't limited to hanging decor. Use them in centerpieces, clear vases, or bowls for a modern touch. String them together to create unique garlands or use them to embellish wrapped gifts. Love DIY projects. Personalize plain spheres with paint, glitter, or photos for a heartfelt, creative flair. Pair them with greenery, pine branches, eucalyptus, or holly, for a natural, organic look. The contrast between shiny spheres and rustic foliage is visually stunning. Light placement can also enhance the effect of your decor. Reflective spheres near windows or lights create a magical sparkle, while frosted or matte finishes offer a softer, more elegant ambiance. Spheres can even tell a story. Use color palettes and themes to reflect personal memories or special places. For instance, blue and silver could evoke a coastal holiday, while earthy tones might remind you of a cozy woodland retreat. Even on a budget, Christmas spheres are a great choice. They're widely available at every price point, and thrift or craft stores often have unique options for creative customization. High-quality, reusable spheres are also a sustainable choice, lasting for years and reducing waste. The true magic of Christmas spheres lies in their ability to transform a space. Their shimmer and glow uplift the atmosphere, even on the grayest winter day. They remind us of the season's joys, gathering with loved ones, sharing laughter, and creating lasting memories. As you decorate, take a moment to step back and admire your work. Notice how the spheres reflect light and add depth and dimension, tying everything together. Decorating isn't just about ornaments, it's about the love and warmth you pour into your home. So, let your creativity shine this season. Whether you're aiming for a modern vibe or a traditional look, remember, there's no right or wrong way to decorate with Christmas spheres. The most important thing is to enjoy the process, celebrate the season, and create a space filled with magic and meaning for you and your loved ones. Happy decorating, and may your home sparkle with the beauty of Christmas.